Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today, we are getting ready to ship everything out to Chicago for the ProMat show. And we're pretty excited about it. The ProMat show, begins on St. Patrick's Day, March 17th, and it runs Monday through Thursday. We've got material here on the pallets, and we've got quite a few. We've got a good booth, and we're showing a lot of different applications for our product. We expect to see several hundred of our distributors from around the country, but more importantly, there's going to be a lot of end users, a lot of people that need storage, safety, and security. They're going to come by, see our product, then we'll hook them up with our distributors. We've got multiple pallets here. We've got more over here, more over here. There's going to be a lot going on in this booth. We're pretty excited about it, and maybe we'll see you in Chicago on St. Patrick's Day. We're going to wear a green shirts that all match. It's going to be exciting. That's all we got. We'll see you on another episode of Mondays with Milt.